In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Notion. Notion is a versatile tool for organizing notes and projects, and sometimes you might want to include a PDF document in your digital workspace. Whether you are looking to add reference materials, share documents with your team, or simply keep your resources organized, importing a PDF can greatly enhance your Notion experience. So let's go through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Notion workspace. Open Notion and go to the home page. This is your starting point for most actions within Notion, and it's where you'll find the option to add new pages. Once there, you'll need to click on the option to add a new page inside your workspace. This is usually found in the sidebar. This page will serve as the new home for your PDF document, and you can customize it as needed to fit within your existing setup or create a brand new structure. Now that you have a new page ready, let's look for the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the page. This icon is commonly known as the Options menu or the Overflow menu. Clicking here opens up a list of additional actions that you can perform on the page. Among these options, you'll find the Import feature. Go ahead and select Import. This option is key to bringing content from outside sources into Notion, and it accommodates a variety of file types. After you select Import, you'll see several options for different types of files and services you can import from. Choose the PDF option, as we are focusing specifically on incorporating PDF files into your Notion page. This step is crucial because it tells Notion exactly what type of content you're planning to bring into your workspace. With the PDF option selected, you will now be prompted to select the PDF file from your computer that you wish to import. Browse through your files, locate the PDF you need, and click on it. Ensure you have the correct file selected, particularly if you have multiple versions or similar documents saved. Once you've chosen the file, hit the Open button to start the import. The PDF will now begin uploading into your newly created page within Notion. Depending on the size of the PDF, this process might take a few moments. Don't worry if it doesn't appear right away. Give it a little time. And there you have it. The PDF is successfully imported to your Notion workspace, and you can now add comments, embed other content, or share the page with collaborators. This functionality makes it easy to keep everything you need close at hand, all neatly organized within Notion. Thanks for following along, and feel free to explore more ways to integrate Notion into your workflow.